am I doing that? I don't know, but now I have learned. Please learn from my mistakes. Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Selena and today we will be talking about the most exciting thing I saw on my phone when I woke up this morning, and that is I had reached the achievement of 4,000 watch hours. This is something that I've been wanting for a long time. Then I realized that's not 4,000 public watch hours. So I'm still not accepted into the YouTube partner program, not monetized, and I want to share with y'all my analytics so you can learn from my mistakes being a small creator on YouTube and why I would get a notification that I do have 4,000 watch hours without being accepted into the YouTube partner program and without being eligible to get monetized at this time. First things first, I am a smaller creator. I have been posting more consistently over the past year. I really started January to February of 2024. I've had my YouTube channel created since May of 2012. However, I would just kind of post here and there. As I stated in my thank you for 1,000 subscribers video, YouTube has been a creative outlet for me. My posting schedule, I didn't even have a schedule before 2024. I would post videos that evolve with current events going on in my life. Now I am more serious about YouTube. I really want to create more of a brand, and I really enjoy making content and creating that community with you all. With that said, I think there are a few mistakes that I've made in my journey to getting monetized. So the reason why I got 4,000 watch hours is because that's combined. That is from my shorts and that is from my long form content. When I started to post here and there, I would say 2023 and earlier, I would post outfits of the day and they would be shorts. If you want to get monetized, there's two ways. From shorts, you have to have at least 3 million views on your shorts. You have to have 3 uploads within the past 90 days, and you also have to have 1,000 subscribers. If you want to be monetized for long form content, you have to have 1,000 subscribers. You also have to have 4,000 public watch hours and 3 uploads within the past 90 days. I have the combined version. I have hours from my shorts and hours from my long form content combined to create 4,000 watch time hours. I think for me, it's easier to get monetized from long form content. I don't have a previous following on any other platform. I am the most consistent on YouTube versus Instagram and TikTok. So learn from my mistakes. So that was my first mistake, is really focusing more on shorts versus long form content. The more work you put into your long form content, you get more watch hours, the more videos you post through there. I was posting more shorts. I would do shorts daily, which I still enjoy doing, and I will continue to do that. However, I do want to put more effort in filming long form content and batch create those. For me, it is easier to do shorts, but I want to work towards horizontal content. Another mistake that I did, when you upload your video and you put cards in, which promotes another video on your channel, I would promote my shorts because I thought that was related. For example, from my how to wash your dog video, I would put a tag for one of my shorts of my dog Mochi. And that's fine and dandy, and that is relevant. However, if I would have put a card that has another long form video, that would redirect my viewers to more long form content versus the shorts. I mean, if you do the math, it is hard to get 3 million views on shorts. My last mistake is also when I would post my shorts, I would not put long form content in the related video. I would put another related short. Why am I doing that? I don't know, but now I have learned. Please learn from my mistakes. Let's talk about what we're doing moving forward and how you can learn from my mistakes. Number 1, we're gonna start putting cards in for our other long form videos, assuming you wanna be monetized with long form content. Also solely going to put long form videos as tags from my shorts. And then I'm also going to make sure I post more consistently with long form content. If I'm posting daily with shorts, I wanna post more than 1 time a week for my videos. Right now, I think it goes up to 3 times a week, and I want to at least make that more consistent. This is just a short video for y'all to see my analytics and learn from me. I am a smaller creator. Just doing my best out here, and y'all know I do not lie to y'all. As always, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. If you don't, I just appreciate you being here, and I will see y'all in my next video.